So my buddy hit me up recently. He wanted a new PC build for this holiday. Something you compare with like the 3090 he picked up secondhand. He's been pairing it currently with a 9th gen i5, which is a huge bottleneck. So he finally wanted to build a PC worthy of it. We decided we'd go with a Ryzen 7 7800X 3D chip, 32 gigs of RAM, a B650 motherboard, and a 1TB Western Digital SSD to get it all started out. We also had a 750 watt titanium rated power supply from Be Quiet, as well as a 280mm AIO from Cooler Master. We had won both of those at a LAN event recently. I know the power supply is a little under what you'd normally expect to see, but we should be fine. And if we need to switch it out down the road, it was a free power supply and it's titanium rated, so I'm not too worried about it. So we were moving right along here, and then as you can see, we kind of ran into an issue. There's a skip. The AIO didn't fit in the top, so I had to end up going with it in the front. So I just switched the fans out, so it did fit in the front. You're gonna see tubes at the bottom and everything. And then all of a sudden that changes too. This big honkin' Asus Strix 3090 had other plans. The tubes had to go at the top. I know it's the least optimal way, but it is still gonna work. It'll still be fine for now. If we have to switch something up in the future, we can make it work. Again, it was a free AIO, a free power supply. Let's see if it posts. Oh my god, look how happy this man is. It's crazy. Got a brand new PC. Let's go.